Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts that are covered in our yesterday session. Actually, from last 3 days onwards, we've been discussing about callable statement. Whenever we are dealing with callable statement, we need to know how to write a procedure and function. We already covered that. Kindly please do remember database knowledge is also required, not only Java knowledge. So yesterday we discussed about function, and after that we started discussing about transaction management. So basically, what is this transaction management? Transaction management, this entire transaction management revolves around one principle, that is do everything or do nothing. When you speak about transaction management, we need to follow some rules. First one is disable the auto commit. After that, perform some operations, and then according to your requirement, we need to either commit or roll back the transactions. And whenever you are speaking about transaction management, we need to, this particular transaction management should be accepting four properties, acid properties: atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. We already covered that. And today we'll be trying to write a program on transaction management. If it is complete by today, very good. Otherwise, by tomorrow also. But today, my intention is let's go to the second phase in advanced Java. I told you we'll be discussing advanced Java in three phases. Phase one, I'll write the code, you will write the code. Phase two, we both will try to write the code parallelly, I told you, right? Yes, you already know how to create a connection. You already know statement, prepare statement, callable statement, execute query, execute update, how to deal with the result set, how to create a table, passing the data, retrieving the data. You already know that. So why first I need to write, after that you need to write? Let's try to write the code parallelly. Shall we? So please open your laptops for me. Go ahead. Uh, my mistake, just a second. You know what? Before opening your laptop, I want you to please have these steps in your notes right now. Please. First, have these steps in your notes. After that, I'll say. First, have these steps in your notes. Go ahead, please. Online students, make sure to write all these 10 steps in your notes. It's okay. No problem. Take time. Absolutely okay. First, have all these steps in your notes. If it is done, please inform me. Is it done? Okay. Now you tell me according to these 10 steps, first what we need to do? Create a table. How many tables? Three tables. We need to create three tables. Okay. First one is train seat availability. Second one is booking record, booking details. Second table. Third one is customer payment. Train seat availability, exactly the same data. Booking details, customer payment. Okay. We'll do one thing. Let me just try to go ahead. Select star from customer payment. All these should be present in your database right now, please. Okay, tell me one thing. How many tables? Three tables. In those three tables, in two tables, you need to insert the data. Only one row. Only one row. Please insert the data in train seat availability. This is the data. Train seat availability. And please insert the data in customer payment. Don't insert any data on booking details. Am I clear with this? Yes? Yes? I advise you to insert as it is the same data in train seat availability and customer payment. Same, as it is same. One more time I am saying, don't insert any data into booking details. Okay, go start. In the meantime, I'll try to create the queries also. What happened? Any doubt? Come on. You don't worry about the queries which I am writing. You try to create your own table. Okay. Are you understanding me? Please respond. Okay. I'm writing the queries so that I'll be able to use them in our Java program. You continue with your table creation. How many tables you need to create? Three tables. In how many tables you need to insert the data? Two tables. What are those two tables? What are those two tables? Train seat availability and customer payment. Exactly the same data insert. Okay. Don't insert any data into booking details. Please. Online students, if complete, kindly please tell me. Take time, no worries. Make sure to insert exactly the same data. I want you to insert the data directly by SQL, not through Java program. Are you understanding me? You are inserting the data through Java program. No, no? Yeah, that's what. Don't insert through Java program. Two tables, one record in each table. One record in train seat availability, one record in customer payment. Only one record. Insert. How many of you completed? Raise your hands. Completed. Only three. No problem. Take time. Take time. No worries. Insert. And online students, one more time I am saying, if completed, please make sure to message me in the chat. Guys, just SQL queries. I'm not asking you more. Just SQL queries. It's absolutely okay to take time. No problem. No problem. I just want you to know. Just write the code. I mean, create a table. Anna, you come here once. All right. Is it done? Boys, please, everyone completed this? Everyone completed. Are speak, ra? Girls, is it done for everyone? Let's move on to our Java program. Okay. Now, what is our last code number? JDBC Pro 8. What is your program number? 9? 9 or 10? Okay. I'm going to take it as 10. Let me try to take it as 10. New class JDBC underscore Pro 10. Just a second. Okay. Pro 10. New class. Okay. I want you to please try to write the code parallelly along with me. Let us first things first, try to create all our variables. After that, public void method 1, public void method 1, system.out.println, implementing transaction management, implementing transaction management. Okay. So first things first, let us try to get our connection CATCH catch EXEPTMN exception E dot print stat trace method. Now inside our try block, first things class dot for name driver driver manager dot get connection URL username password equal to connection belongs to connection interface. Okay, done. Now after that system.out.println. First, I want to just a second. Where is our connection interface? Now here, I want to use first get, you know what? Just a second. Less con dot get auto commit. First, I want to use this auto commit. Okay, let me go to my main method. Inside my main method, new JDBC Pro 10 dot method one. Directly I'm trying to call. So let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. We should be getting our output as true. What do you mean by this true? Is auto commit on or disabled? Is it enabled or disabled? Enabled. Right now it is enabled. Whenever we are dealing with transaction management, first what we need to do? Disable the auto commit. So let me just try to con dot set auto commit false, and after that again I am trying to get my auto commit. Let's see. Okay, now it is disabled. First try to write up to here. Go ahead. Done? Right, right. No problem, right? Online students, if completed up here, please message me in the chat. Okay? How many of you done? All right. Now, guys, I want you to say one small thing. Please listen. Please listen. If you are performing any operations in the database, without committing those, without committing, if you're trying to change the data from the Java program, your program will not work. Did you understand what I said? Again, for example, right now, you inserted some data into your database tables. Yes or no? Did you commit? Yes. If not, please make sure to commit right now. Any updations, any updations. It may be inserting, deleting, sir. It's not required. It does not matter. Any updations, if you are directly doing in the database, first commit. Without committing, if you are trying to modify the data from the Java program, your program will not be executed. Code is everything is correct, but it will not be updated. Am I clear with this? Now, please confirm me once. Everyone committed the data in the database? You need to respond. Okay. Now, what is happening in line number 23 in my program? In my program, what is happening in line number 23? Please tell me. We have disabled the auto commit option for this program. I already told you from the Java program, if you are performing any operations, automatically those will be committed. I told you, yes. But for this program, I intentionally disable the auto commit. Disabled the auto commit. Okay. Now I'm going to take a query. Let me just try to take a string SQLQUERY SQL query 1, and this is the query. Just now I wrote this query. Hang on. If possible, please try to tell me what my first query is going to do. Ah, please tell me what my first query is going to do. Read the query and tell me. Yeah, update, but read the query and tell me what it is going to do. Amma? Updates the seat availability with -1. Means currently how many seats are available? 10. Currently 10 seats are available. After executing this query, how many seats will be available? 9. Are you understanding me? Now I'm trying to write the same query here. SQL query. Okay, just let me try to keep it like this. Give me a minute time. Okay. Now, basically this is the query. Update train seat availability, available seats equal to. So basically this is the query. You need responder. Okay. Now let's try to execute this query. Don't code anything. Just please wait just for only for this pattern. Just wait. Okay. Now I want to get my prepare statement. Prepare statement. Prepare statement. Could you please tell me? Con dot prepare statement. SQL query 1 equal to PSTMT1 belongs to prepared statement. Prepared statement. Okay. Now I need to set 1, 2, 3. Yes. PSTMT1 dot set train ID string. Okay. What is the train ID we have given? What is the train ID we have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, journey date. Okay. Here, what is the journey date? Give exactly the same. 2024, 10 and 10. 2024, 10 and 10. Okay. After that, class. Class is also varchar. Just let me go like 3. And what is that here? Sleeper. SLEPR. SLEPER. Is that correct? SLEPR. Sleeper. Everything is correct. Now I want to update. Okay. So PSTMT1 dot execute update. Now here equal to ROWCOUNT row count. I'm just trying to go like int. Let me go like row count 1. I need to write multiple row counts. Row count 1. Okay. After that, if row count 1, if row count 1 equal to 0, THRW throw new SQL EXC period. SQL exception, I'm going to write seats are not available. I'm using throw keyword. You know what is the use of throw keyword? Throw keyword is used to throw user defined exception messages. Yes. If line number 38 is executed, immediately our program will be terminated. Remaining lines will not be getting executed. I hope you understand the point here, right? Okay. Otherwise, system.out.println, I'm going to write SEAT seat is LOCKED. Seat is locked. Okay. Please concentrate on my code right now. Please concentrate. I'm keeping line number 29 in comment. Line number 29 in comment. What do you mean by line number 29? disabling the auto commit. Now tell me, is my program enabled the auto commit or not? Please tell me. Online students, I want you to please respond. Right now, is my program enabled the auto commit or not? Yes or no? I want you to please respond, everyone. Right now, my program by default, every Java program enables the auto commit. Yes or no? So right now, auto commit is on. Okay. Let's try to, okay. Shruti, not enabled. We have already set it false. Please look at line number 29. I kept that in comment. Look at the code correctly. Okay. So right now, auto commit is on. Okay. Let's try to execute. Shall we? I'm trying to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see. Okay. What is your output? Seat is locked. Let me check my database. Now in my database, I'm trying to select start from train seat availability. Please check what are my available seats. Right now, my available seats are 9. If I execute one more time, if I'm executing one more time, now please tell me again. Oh, sorry. Right now, my available seats are 8. Guys, you need to respond. I hope you are understanding the point here. Come on. Now, I'm gonna set this as false. Now, tell me, auto commit is enabled or disabled? Speak out. Disabled. Auto commit is disabled. Okay. Now, if I execute my program, we should be getting here our output as 7. Yes or no? Generally, we should be getting our output as 7. Now, let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Seat is locked. Seat is locked. Coming here, select start from train seat availability. How many available seats are there? What about 7 should be coming? We have disabled the auto commit. Am I clear with that? Please tell me. Is that clear? Online students, I want you to please respond. Am I clear with this? Sir, what? Okay. Sir, what if I write commit 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 in the database? Now, again, I am trying to execute same. You need to commit directly from the Java program. Am I clear with that? Come on, please respond. For example, here, just what if I'm going to write con dot commit? I'm trying to commit con dot commit. Now let's execute, right click, run as Java application. Seat is locked. Let me get back here and train seat availability. Can you see the difference? Am I clear with this? So whenever you are disabling the auto commit mode, we need to manually commit from the Java program. Then only the data will be saved permanently. That is what transaction management is. Clear? Please speak. Now, for example, you know what? I want to update. What is happening here? Update train seat availability 10. Where train ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm just trying to update. Is that clear? Okay. Now, one row updated. One row updated. Now, coming to my Java program, let me just try to, okay, right click, run as Java application. Is my program execution completed? Why? Is there anything problem in my code? code is okay, but my program is not forwarding. Can you see this red color mark? Still my program is executing. Why? What is the problem? We changed the data in the database, but we did not commit. The data is not saved permanently in the database, and Java program cannot continue. Am I clear with that? That's what I told you. If you are performing any changes in the database, please make sure to commit, then go with our Java program. For example, here commit is done. Now let me get back here. See immediately, CT is log. Now if I'm trying to execute it one more time, just okay, we'll be getting our available seats as 9. Why? Because we are committing the transaction in the Java program. Am I clear with this? So I'll show this later, not required. Let me just try to again set to 10. One row update, COMMIT commit. Let me go with CLSCR. Now select star from, okay. This is again same. Up to now, is it clear guys for everyone? Right now, what I want you to do is, you should execute the same program. You should be getting your output seat is locked, but in your database, the available train seats should be, tell me, 10 only. 10 only. When we will update it, when we will confirm it, if the payment is success. Please check here. I gave you different steps. Just a second. Step one, creating database tables done. A Java project done. A define JDBC connection done. Creating database connection and disabled the auto commit done. After that, lock, not confirm, not confirm. We are locking a seat in train seat availability. When we will confirm it? After the payment is success. Are you understanding me? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond. Online students, please respond. Am I clear with this? Now, once after we are getting the seat is locked, let me try to create a save point. Just let me SCVPO. Okay, we'll do one thing. Con dot save set save point. I'm going to give save point as SP belongs to save point. Means if there is any problem happen, if any problem happen, directly I'll be coming back to this step. Sir, I did not understand. What is this save point? Okay, let me ask you a simple question. For example, let's go with Abibus. You're trying to book a ticket. Your transaction failed. Your transaction failed. Whenever your transaction is failed, you will not be going back to the login page. Are you understanding me? Come on, Ra. You will not be going back to the login page. You will be going back to the home page. Login, inside login page, you need to enter your username and password. Yes or no? After your username and password is correct, then you will be going to the home page. Yes? In the home page, you will try to search the buses, okay, and you will try to perform some transactions. If your transaction failed, you will be redirected to the home page, not to the login page. Why? Because developers kept a save point at that particular home page. If there is any problem happen, instead of again redirecting back to the starting page, they will be redirecting back to the home page. Save point. Are you understanding the point here? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Am I clear with this? That is how this save point will work. Okay? Good. I'll show you. I'll show you. Come on, let's go. First, please start. Please go ahead. Carry on. Write the query correctly. If you are having any doubt, do you want me to? Okay, this is better, I guess. Write the query correctly, please. How many of you completed? Go on, try. Online students, if anyone completed, message me in the chat. How many of you done? Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. After completing, check your database. Your database should not be reflected. Your database should not be updated. Remember that. Hmm. Did you check that correctly? Correctly. Small letters, capital letters, check that correctly. Okay. I hope it's done. So let's try to continue. Shall I wait? Shall I continue? You speak, Raj. Shall I continue? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. So up to here done. Now let's deal with the okay. Step 6, create save point and commit the transaction. Don't commit. As of now, don't commit. Okay. Let's go with step 7. What is step 7? Insert a new booking record. Okay. Continue. Let's go with one more SQL query string. SQL SQL query 2 equal to I want to insert the data into the table. Insert into booking record. Insert into booking data. Okay, yeah, booking details, values. First write the query. Go ahead. Done. Insert into booking details. And these are the question marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because in booking details, there are booking ID, train ID, customer ID, seat number, status. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's try to create one more prepared statement. Let's go. Come on. Parallelly, start. Create one more. No, con dot is not required. I'm present in the same try block. Na? Yes. Directly I can use it. No issues. And here I'll go with SQL query 2. SQL query 2. Okay. Now, PSTMT2 dot set string set string set string. I'll go with the one. First, I need to go with booking ID. Let me go like B101 booking ID. Okay, how many values? 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is booking ID. After that, second one is train ID. What is the train ID? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Train ID. After that, customer ID. You already entered customer ID. Could you please tell me what is that customer ID in the table, customer payment table? C? C123? Okay. C123. And after that, seat number. I'm just trying to go with seat number as 1. Okay. See, you know what? This is seat number is number, na? So here set int. Okay. Just let me try to go like 1. And finally, status. Let me go like 5. Payment, P-A-Y-M-E-N-T, payment, pending. Payment, space P-E-N-D-I-N-G. Payment pending. And after that, let me just try to execute pstmt2 dot execute update execute execute update equal to ROWCOUNT row count 2 of type int, and here I'm going to use if row count 2 equal to 0 SQL exception BO booking not CONFIRMED booking not confirmed. Else, just system instead of writing else, directly I can write booking BO booking record INSERT inserted as inserted successfully inserted successfully SYSO AWI awaiting for payment CONFIRMATAN awaiting for payment confirmation. Once I got the payment confirmation, then only I will commit. Come on, don't execute. Please don't execute. Just write the code. awaiting for payment confirmation. So, Sushant, sir, can you please show me the SQL query? First, continue with this. Again, I'll show you. Is it done? How many of you completed up to here? Please raise. Please raise. Please raise. Okay. Now, guys, remember, still we did not commit our transaction. Okay. As of now, if we execute our program, nothing will be reflected in the database. Still, we did not commit. Okay. Just keep that point in mind. Up to now, what we did, tell me. Up to now, what we did. We locked a seat in the train seat availability. Come on. Guys, up to now, what we did. We locked a seat in train seat availability. After that, we inserted booking record into the table. But remember, we did not commit. We did not commit. Now, when we will commit, we need to check customer. Just where is customer? We need to check customer status, customer payment status. Is it success? Is it success? Then we need to confirm it. Okay. So right now, our third query is, please read the query. Please read the query. Select payment status from customer payment where customer ID equal to question mark. Means here, this, okay, strng string sqlquery query 3 equal to like this. Now tell me one thing. Here I need to give the data. Na? What is the data I need to give? Customer ID. Which customer ID? Exactly the same customer ID which I have entered. Yes or no? I need to check the same customer ID. Na? Got it? Come on. Write this query first. First, write that SQL query 3. Is it done? Is it done? Okay. Now let us try to get back here. Let's go with one more prepared statement. Let's go. What is it? Prepared statement 3. 3 and SQL query 3. Obviously, I need to insert the data pstmt3 dot set string 1, and that is C123 as it is the same. After that, okay, run. Tell me which method I need to use right now. Execute query. Why we need to use execute query? This is selection group SQL queries, right? Okay. So pstmt3 dot exect execute query. You know that obviously its return type is a result set, result result set. Let me make it as result set 1. Okay. If now if you know what, before going to that, string status status equal to failed failed. Now here, if rs dot rs1 rs1 dot next, I'm using if. Why I'm using if? Instead of while, I am using if. Why I am using if? There is only one record na. What is the query? Yeah, Sunita, that is correct, Amma. Select payment status from customer payment. Where customer ID? Only one record. What is the use of using while? So that is the reason I'm using if. Okay. status 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 equal to rs1 rs1 dot get string 1. Just let me try to write like this. Okay. Now, after that, come on, write. If status dot equals success, status dot equals success. Now, I'm going to write one more prepared statement. Now I need to update. Up to first, right up to here. After that, I'll speak. Is it done? Up to here, is it done? Okay. Now, guys, I want you to kindly place eyes on the board. Please, eyes on the board, eyes on the board. Now, basically, this is our table data. Okay. Train ID, journey date, sleeper class, sleeper class, and basically, this is our available seats. This is our train seat availability. Yes. Okay. Now we are having one more table booking details. Booking ID, please tell me. Booking ID. After that, just a second. Let me, you know what? Uh, booking ID. Okay, no worries. Booking underscore booking ID. After that, please tell me TRAIN train ID. After that, CUSTOMER customer ID. After that, SSEAT seat number. After that, STATS status. Just keep it like that. Okay. Nana, please, eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Now, we already entered some data. Booking ID B101, B101, train ID 12345, customer ID C123, seat number 1, status. What is the status? Just now you wrote in your code payment, PAYMENT, payment pending, PENDING, pending. Basically, this is the data which we have inserted into this table. This is the data, but it is not committed. Okay, guys, eyes on the board. Please, you will not understand. I request you. Nana, when you're speaking about advanced Java, you need to imagine the output and then we need to write the code. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay? As of now, in your database, as of now, in your database, is there this record available in this table? Please tell me. Record is not there. Why the record is not there? We did not commit. But did we insert it? Come on, Ra. Did we insert it? We inserted, but the record is not there. Why? Because we did not commit. Am I clear with that? Now, already payment pending is there. We need to change this payment pending to success. Okay. When we need to change this payment pending to success, basically this is our customer payment table. Hang on. Let me just try to keep it like this. Payment ID, customer ID, amount, and payment status. This is customer ID. Just a second. Okay, and this is for amount, and this is for, okay, just a second. This is for payment status, customer ID, and this is basically the amount, and this is success. Okay. Now, please tell me, this is which table? Okay, hang on. This is which table? Customer payment. This is which table? Booking. This is which table? Train seat availability. Now, in my mind, I locked a seat here. I locked a seat here. So my expectation is if everything is working properly, this 10 should be deducted to 9 in my mind. Okay. Yes. Now in my mind, I already inserted the data. Now I just need to confirm it. Payment is pending. Now how to check? Already customer done the payment. I am trying to retrieve this record, only this record from this table by using customer ID. What is the query? Select, tell me, select payment status from customer payment. Select payment status from customer payment. where customer ID equal to C123. What I am retrieving? Payment status means what would be the value here? Success. That is exactly what I am trying to retrieve here. I have taken a local variable, made my status as failed. Now I am trying to retrieve my result set data. If the data is available, this status will be updated to success. Yes or no? That is what I'm writing here. If status dot equal to success. Okay. Else. If it is success, very good. If it is success, very good. Else means what is happening? What do you think happened? Else. When my compile be coming to else block? Online students, you need to respond, guys. Please tell me when my compile be coming to else block. When payment is failed. Same I am going to write here system.out.println payment not done, payment not done, SYSO, rolling back, rolling back to the last save point, rolling back to the last save point. So we need to roll back. Con dot roll back to the save point. We have given our save point here. Na? Where can you remember this? Please tell me. I'm just rolling back my entire transaction. Are you getting the point here? If the payment is not done, what if the payment is done? If the payment is done, then what I need to do? I need to update this payment pending to, I need to update that payment pending to confirm. I mean, you can go with anything, success or confirm. Are you getting the point? So that is the reason I wrote this query. Okay, coming here, this is actually string, 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 SQL query for equal to like this. Now I need to execute this query for inside this if block. Yes or no? Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Please respond. Online students, I want you to kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear? Up to now. Okay. Now, let's go new, not exactly new, sorry. Let me just try to go with my prepared statement. Here, prepared statement. This is prepared statement 4, SQL query 4. Now, what is the query? Update booking details, set status confirm, where customer ID. So I need to give the customer ID. What is the customer ID? Let me just try to go like just PSTMT4 4. Yes. C123 done. Basically, there is a customer ID. After that, what I need to do? This is which query update. So obviously, what I need to use PSTMT4 dot exect execute update, and what would be its return type? ROWCOUNT row count 3. Okay. Of type int. All right. Now, if row count 3 equal to 0, just system dot, you know what? Let me try to throw throw new SQL exception. I'm just going to write TRANS transaction terminated due to server side PROBLEM problem, due to server side problem. Otherwise, did you understand this? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to the chat for me. Online students, if possible, please try to respond to the chat. Please try to respond to the chat. Am I clear with this? Okay. Otherwise, con dot commit. I'm just trying to commit. Did you understand this? And now system dot out dot println seat book for, okay, seat book for plus, I'm just trying to, you know what? Or else seat booked successfully. Why complicated? Seat booked successfully. SYSO transaction done. Transaction done. Am I clear with this? So shall we try to execute? And remember, whenever we are committing, whenever we are directly trying to commit, all the save points will be automatically released. Once you commit, save points will be released. So I'll do one thing. See it book uh, transaction done. Save points. All save points released. Let's see. Now I'm executing. Right now I'm trying to execute. And here, before executing, available seats are 10 only. There is literally no data present inside booking details. Select start from BOK booking DETAILS. No rows are there. Let's see what happens. Shall we? Let's go. Right click, run as Java application. Booking record inserted, awaiting payment card, seat booked successfully. Transaction done, all save points released. Now, first train seat availability. 3, 2, 1, 9. After that, booking details. We inserted payment pending, but it converted into confirm. We changed the code. We updated the code. I hope you're understanding the point here. This is transaction management. How awesome this is. Again, you need to have an output in your mind. According to the output which is present in your mind, we should write the code. This is only logical thinking. Logical thinking is not something like rocket science. We need to have an output in our mind. And according to the output, we should write the code. Just wait for servlets. I'll let you know how to get that. Clear? Come on, go ahead, please. Shravan, sir, where we released save point. Shravan, once we done commit operation, all the save points will be automatically released. Once it's committed, automatically it will be released. Okay. All right. So shall I show you the code right from the beginning? Yes. Please try to check. I'm going to show you the code right from the beginning. Please check. Online students. Okay. Basically, this is starting. I'm showing everything right from the starting. After that, after that, and that's it. Okay. Please make sure to write the queries correctly. So basically, these are all the 4 queries. These are all the four queries. Okay. And this is the database tables starting from here. Yep. Feel free. After updations, train seats got changed to 9. Booking data also confirmed. Customer payment table, we are not changing anything in the customer payment table. We are just trying to retrieve the data. That's it. Okay. Sushant sir, please send the query in the classroom. No. You are too lazy to type the query, Sushant. I already showed the query, na? Please don't be that much la. You took the screenshot. Database, please. Yeah, type it correctly. If you're getting an error, type it correctly. Type it correctly until the error is gone. Don't simply copy paste. No, I will not accept that. And Sai, you're asking prepared statement 2. Okay. Prepared statement 2. Clear? Sai? All right. So by tomorrow, I want you to, everyone to kindly please make this happen. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. So Shravan, sir, use of release save point. Shravan, instead of committing, whenever you are writing commit, automatically all the save points will be released. No, sir, I want to release them manually. Then you can write it like this. Which save point you want to release, you can write like this. If you are doing commit, automatically all the save points will be released. No need to manually write it. Got it? Good. Great. All right. So see you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Make sure by tomorrow everyone should be completing this. Tomorrow we are going to deal with connection pooling. Completely separate concept. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Ifra, you're asking last lines. I showed you now, Ifra, what you're doing when I'm showing. Please, please check, Amma. Ifra, if it's done, please do let me know. It's done? Okay, that is good. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.